morning! Today is June 4. Plan namin ni Chris na di muna kami lalabas kasi yesterday I was very exhausted. We went to see the townhouse in Portville. Tapos pagkatapos nun pumunta kami sa site kung saan mas malapit dito sa tinitirhan namin. We like the unit. Nakalimutan ko palang mag-vlog yesterday para pakita sa inyo yung unit. Kasi nag-enjoy ako sa trip namin. Parang hindi namin type yung yung location na ata kasi pababa siya. Natakot kasi kami sa mga flood prone area. Ngayon, gusto ni Chris na dito lang muna kami sa bahay kasi parang everyday na kami lumalabas. So, plano namin na dito lang muna kami, stay muna, take a break muna sa kalabas. Oh, good morning, Ma.
Morning. Gumaganda tong karne din yung adobo ni Papa.
Oh, ito pala yung mga vitamins na iniinom ko. Yung sa morning, ang iniinom ko is yung Caltrate, calcium plus vitamin D3 and plus minerals. Kailangan ko to kasi sabi ni Doc, lagi akong may cramps. Pag pag tumitigas yung tiyan ko tsaka sumasakit, iniinom ko tong Isoxilan. Iniinom ko lang to pag hindi ko na talaga kaya yung tigas. Umiinom din ako ng B-complex. Tapos pinaparisan ko yan ng Aspilet. The reason why I am taking Aspilet kasi nagbo-blood clot ako. Hindi yung blood clot na malala. Yung bang pag yung menstruation mo malapit na meron ka mga bruises, hindi pala yun siya mabuti sa baby. Kaya pinapainom ako ni Doc nito, Aspilet. Tapos minsan, ina-alternate ko yan ng Fair Sulfate. Yan. Ito yung mga vitamins na iniinom ko. Pabili na ako ng Arinola. Cute ng kulay niya. Sky blue.
So we're just here at the apartment and Fema's over there. Fema. Tito Titing is here. Papa and Mama over there. Just hanging out. Today is a relaxing day because we went to so many places. I can't remember how many places, but we were traveling almost every day for a week or 2 weeks. It was a long time. So today we're finally taking a break. Enjoying Jake.
Talented ka pala, my love.
Practicing.
You're talented, my dear. You have hidden talents. Sino nakaka-rate nito? Ito yung pinaka-paborito kong supas. Binilhan kami ni Uncle ng bibingka. Mainit pa. Tapos, bulanghoy na
Dahil lagi itong
bulanghoy or kasava na budbud.
Dahil itong suro ni gahapon sa taon mo?
Kato siya. Lahat siya. May flavor man na siya. Pulami siya.
Papa and I just got home. We got some buko. Buko meat, whatever you call it. What is that?
Buko meat.
Buko, what is it called?
Buko.
We got some buko here. It's the actual stuff that you eat. And inside is buko juice. If you don't know what buko is, that's coconut. We were at the convenience store here in Bangkok, and they didn't have any coloring books for, or not coloring books, but they didn't have any blank paper for adults. So I'm stuck with Spider-Man and Batman. I'm really not good at lettering. Like I'm not good at all. I'm not even really trying that hard to draw. It's just that when I get a little stressed, I either sit down and relax and don't do anything, or lately I discovered that if I draw and just sketch where I just move my hand wherever it goes, for some reason that helps me relax. Inside, it's just blank paper. See?
Buko juice, guys. Kaya pa ako kain ng kain, pero konti lang naman. Hindi ko binubulto kasi. Kanilang No, share lang, Mini Chris.
Okay. This one's for me.
Hindi ko binubulto, guys, kasi para hindi ako maging bloated.
So I'll explain, my dear. I was losing a good amount of weight because I was exercising, and then I couldn't exercise because we were traveling and doing so many things. And we went out to eat at Denchio's yesterday, and I got fat again like in one day. My face really blew up just in one day. I just ate
and you ate so much
meal that was a little bit too big.
This morning.
All my fats came back, but
because too much eating is bad.
Too much eating is
too much of something is
bad enough. So, may konting concern ako about my belly size. Kasi yung sa akin, mag-running 7 months pa lang. Pero, feel ko kasi ang laki niya. And then, madami din nagko-comment sa akin in person na malaki yung tiyan ko for 6 months plus. Yung pusod ko, lumuluwa na siya. And medyo heavy yung feeling ko. Pero, feel ko din na parang may hangin ako palagi. And parang hindi pure baby. Parang ang dami ko talagang hangin. Pag umuutot naman ako, feel ko lang din, parang nagsishrink siya. Pero most of the time, malaki yung feeling ko sa tiyan ko. So, sino sa inyo na malaki yung tiyan nyo nung 6 months kayong preggy and then first baby? May nakilala ko na yung tiyan niya 8 months. Pero magkasing laki lang yung tiyan namin. And imagine, second baby niya yun. Ako, first baby ko pa lang to. Si mama at saka mga kapatid niya, malaki talaga yung tiyan nila nung nagbuntis sila. So, yun din yung inisip ko na baka sa genes ba nila, sa genes ba namin na malaki yung tiyan namin. Pag mayroon nakakita sa akin in person, kala nila, kabuuan ko na.
I'm wearing my glasses now because I'm trying to draw a little bit. But I would film Fema, but she's in her night tea. And it's not on very well right now. But she wanted me to ask you guys, which one is better? The
Ertiga is Suzuki.
Is it really called Ortiga?
Ertiga.
I thought it's with an E.
Yeah, Ertiga.
Fema wanted me to ask you guys, which one is better, the Ortiga by Suzuki or the Ford EcoSport? I'm thinking Ford EcoSport because it just seems more high-end. I mean, like I said in one of the last vlogs, it's a high-end, low-end car, but it's got a lot of nice things, like it has a sunroof, the chairs feel really nice. The Ortiga, it kind of seems almost kind of like a Honda Fit, just a little bit bigger and I guess new. So for me, I'm going for the Ford EcoSport. You guys could tell us what you think. Are you going for the Ford EcoSport too, my dear? Is that the one that you like the most? Cover yourself. She's wearing a night tee and it's not on very well. Hold on, put a blanket, my dear.
It's okay.
Okay. There. So,
I like both.
Oh, sorry.
That's why I'm asking for suggestion because the EcoSport, it looks durable. As din, mas bagay sa family namin. But, the Suzuki one is dami siyang upuan.
Yeah, there's more seats. You can fit a lot of people. Yeah.
Some space. And then you can also put wet clothes. There's a compartment in the back na pwede mo siyang lagyan ng mga
It's more
basa.
practical. But at the same time, will it break down sooner than the Ford? I mean, both of them are brand new cars, so it would last probably a long time. But I think the Ford might last longer, right?
Yeah.
Than the Suzuki.
Yeah.
You know, I never thought that I would ever have a car with the sunroof on it. It's just that a lot of these things that before were out of average, like were out of people's reach. Now it's becoming more affordable. Same thing with a big screen TV. I never thought I would ever have a big screen TV, but in Bamboo Estate we had not a huge TV, but it was big compared to what I had growing up. A lot of things that you think you could never buy, especially if you're young, when you get older, everything's probably gonna be so much cheaper.
It's also nice for baby Zach, the EcoSport na may what's up, my dear?
Sunroof?
Yeah, if he's laying down, makikita niyo yung mga clouds and,
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. Pero maliit nga lang siya.
It's tiny. It's a really
So
small
you
car.
need a what's that? Roof basket.
Yeah.
Para
We can't fit anything inside the
maliit
that
lang
car.
siya.
The only reason why I don't want the Suzuki because it's more affordable. That usually I would buy it, but the only reason why I don't want it is because it looks almost exactly like the Honda Fit we have, and I feel like we'd be driving the same car.
Yeah.
That's the only reason why. It's not because the other one's more high tech or what. It's just it's like the exact same car, and we've already had the Honda Fit.
Hindi pa ako naliligo. Pero mahiligo ko mamaya. Kakain muna ako. Chris is over there. Oh.
Just relaxing.
May nakalimutan akong sabihin. May sasabihin sana ako. Ano yun? I can't wait to give birth para maayos ko yung skin ko kasi ang dami kong piklat. Mapaputo ko yung buhok ko, tsaka mapa-treatment ko yung buhok ko kasi natatakot ako magpa-treatment ng skin, magpa-treatment ng buhok kasi buntis ako. Tapos yung bahay namin medyo makalat kasi tinatamad akong maglinis. Kasi naman, madali ako mapagod. Kanina, naglinis si Chris ng kaunti sa room namin. Minsan, pag hindi ako bloated, naglilinis ako. Pero itong mga gamit dito, ipapakuha ko to kay mama. Ipapadala ko sa probinsya para magamit naman nila. Kasi gusto ko na bakante lahat to dito. Malinis, tsaka maliwalas. Nung nag-transfer kasi kami dito sa apartment, hindi namin naayos lahat kasi it's less than a month only that we stayed here and then we went to the province for a vacation.
And we
Kaya
had so much stuff that doesn't fit in the room.
yeah.
There's not enough closets here. There's only one there and one there. But in Bamboo Estate, it was a small house. But we had so many closets.
Na-miss namin, I mean, at least ako, na-miss kong mag-film ng mga beauty videos. What else? Q&A and other random videos. Pero, I don't know if, maybe, siguro, after the baby shower, I might film baby haul. Ano ba yan, baby haul? Nagsuklay pala ako kasi pangit ko kanina. Na-realize ko na sa screen ang pangit-pangit ko. Hindi man na ako nagsuklay. Kung na-notice niyo na medyo gloomy ako, yung katawan ko kasi napaka-weird ang feeling because I am pregnant. Isa ako sa mga hindi lucky na nagkaroon ng smooth pregnancy. Yung pregnancy ko is since month 1 hanggang ngayon. Ang dami ko mga bad symptoms na kinakaya ko for our baby. Ayan, si Chris naka-t-shirt na kasi I asked him to wear
She said
t-shirt.
I was naked, but I wasn't naked. I had shorts on. It's so hot in the Philippines. I
It's
never
very
wear a
hot.
shirt.
Time for snack. Time for snack. Yung buko na ginawa namin ni Mama kay Ate Ka.
I'll get that video, sorry.
No, it's not. Ito, oh. Ayan. Nilagay ni Mama sa freezer para lumamig kagad. And ang lamig talaga niya, guys. So, magpaibog sa kunin niyo, ha? Tada! Butong-butongs. Buko. Yum.
So that's the buko, the coconut that we're talking about.
Yeah. So yummy.
My dear, how does my hair look?
Look.
Like an afro?
Amazing. Ma! Ali!
Good morning. Good afternoon.
Good morning. Good morning daw. Tapos ko lang maligo. Fresh na si Buntis. Anong ginagawa ni Chris? Hi, my love. Maybe you will start, my dear, during the insanity. Why it's still early?
What shorts do I use?
I look for your shirt. Shorts pala. Kaya ligo ko lang pero ang init, guys. My dear, can you turn on the air conditioner, please?
Yeah.
It's very hot, no?
You look good, my dear. You just took a shower, huh?
Yeah. Hindi pa ako nakasuklay. So, nandito lang kami sa bahay hanggang gabi. Kasi nga, we decided to rest muna ngayon kasi...
Hey, how many days were we out and about, traveling? And...
Since we arrived.
Man, I was tired.
At hindi ako kakain ngayon kasi busog na ako. Ayoko mag-dinner. Para hindi lalaki masyado si Baby Zach. So that's it for today's vlog, guys. We hope to see you tomorrow. Bye!